What's going on, everyone? Tonight we are doing a mail vlog because we've got a ton of packages and we've kind of been pushing it off. We've been waiting for a couple of things to come in specifically, and so we're doing a mail vlog.
So this one is from Memphis, Tennessee, it looks like. And it says, "Hey Josh and Taylor, we are new to your channel and we love y'all. Your videos are great and love the music you use. We live just south of Memphis in Mississippi. Hope to see you in February. We are staying at the Poly and the Beach Club. So excited to stay at both places. Thanks for your great videos." From the Burns family. Thank you guys.
Thank you guys so much.
I love like all the neon lights in this postcard. It's pretty awesome.
It is.
We will add it to the collection, of course.
Next piece is from Arkansas.
So Ashley, that we ate at Via Napoli with, is actually an educator and sent us this little thing, and it says, I think it's from a student, and it says, "I'm Cadence. Please help me learn more about the world by sending me on an adventure around the world. Please send letters, pictures, or postcards back to my class." And it's to Ashley's class. "Please continue to send me on a trip around the world by mailing me to the new location." This little Nike Just Do It is going on a little trip.
Oh,
This is cool.
very nice.
So this is what's kind of hard. So this says it's from North Carolina, but it's actually from eBay. So we never know who it's actually from. But it's a Disney Princess Half Marathon 2018 magnet, which is really awesome. I actually have plans to get a magnet board for on our wall somewhere. That way we can hang all of these magnets that we have gotten on it. So thank you. This is really cute. And I'm kind of glad because we didn't do any of the princess stuff. So we don't have any Princess Half Marathon merchandise.
Nope.
Thank you.
All right, next package is from Jackson, who actually has his own little company, BDI Products. Basically, this is a company that has a 3D printer, and they make some cool little puck holders for your magic bands. If you don't know what that is, I used to have one on my watch. People were asking me about it all the time, and then it broke, and I've never gotten a new one. But he actually makes magic band holders.
Yeah, they're like magic band buddies.
He reached out to us and asked if we would be interested in trying them out, and we said yes, of course, because I love the magic band holders. I think it's great. What's really cool is that I didn't even expect it, but he actually sent us a tool. So this is a screwdriver. This screwdriver is specifically for magic bands and the pucks, and I don't have a magic band on me to take one out, but or to show you, wouldn't be that great to show you anyways. But he gave us some options, and we looked at their website and saw what they had, and so they sent us. Taylor already has hers out.
I'm amazed. I love it.
So Taylor already has one
It's
out.
like such high quality.
Yeah, show them. Get to show them.
I got a Tangled Sun. This is gonna be perfect.
This is even better.
Yeah.
So what's really cool is, so Taylor got a Tangled Sun. I got I Am Groot. And I think I have a green magic band somewhere that I can put a green little puck in. But what's really cool is that they also send you a carabiner so that you can carabine it. And they also send you one of these.
It's like a badge clip, so it stretches. So you could wear it wherever and pull it out to the magic band touch point.
So if you got on a backpack, you can put it on your backpack, just pull it right out. If you got it on your hip, you just pull it right out. I mean, which is really nice, which is really awesome. Yeah, and these are 3D.
Oh my gosh, you got Groot! I didn't even realize!
Yeah, I just said that.
Oh my gosh, I was not paying attention at all.
So it comes with like a little hook. You take the hook out and you can slide the back out, which then allows you to put the puck inside, slide it back together, put your hook back through, and you are all set. These are actually really, really cool. This is not at all what I was expecting, and I really like it.
They're awesome!
And we're gonna try it out. So I got I Am Groot, or Groot, I guess.
Did you show yours?
Yeah, I showed mine.
It's so cute.
So I got Groot. That one's
That's mine. Oh no,
that
it's
one's
not.
yours.
Oh well, I'm gonna use yours too because I like that.
And then I also got this.
That's a cool one. You need a yellow magic band though.
I have a.
Oh, you do?
And I also got this DVC one. And I will say it is pretty big. I'll put that right onto the backpack strap. It'll be right there. It's always with me. I can just pull it right out, touch the point with it, and that's pretty cool. Oh, that's cool.
Where do you see this one? I hope it focuses. So So I got Maleficent as my second one. And it's gonna be hard to see, but there's actually the dragon, like the Maleficent dragon, like carved into the back there.
Yeah.
That is so cool. I didn't even know it did that. Oh, and I have a green magic band, so that'll be perfect to put the green puck inside as her face.
Awesome. So thank you, Jackson, for sending this to us. If you guys are interested in getting these little puck holders for your next vacation, we'll put the link in the description down below to his website where you can purchase them. And next time we go over to the parks, we'll put them to use and see how well they work, and then let everybody know.
These are so cute. I love it.
Very cool. I think it's just a really cool addition that they that he incorporates these things. I think that's a game changer.
It's a badge.
You know?
Badge holder.
Yeah.
And then there's like, depending on which one you got, they put some of these little like Mickey punch outs in the bag.
Oh, I hate Mickey punch outs.
Josh probably has nightmares about Mickey punch outs because we made Christmas ornaments for our cruise one time.
We don't have one lying around.
No, it's in our
quick
Christmas
side
ornaments.
topic. So we made ornaments for the fish extenders for our group, and it was supposed to be a joint effort. It ended up being a Josh effort of punching. I don't even remember.
Thousands.
I mean, it was a lot. So thank you, Jackson, for sending those to us. We're definitely going to put them into use. And we'll incorporate that into the next video that we do when we're over at the parks. Hello, Josh. Thanks again for partnering with us. We hope you enjoy the buddies. Let us know if you have any questions. So thank you, Jackson.
This is from T&T. Let's see what's in here. Oh!
Oh, that's cool.
If you don't know this, I love Disney Christmas ornaments. It is not Christmas season yet, but I collect ornaments all year round. And this is perfection because we do not have this Run Disney Star Wars sneaker ornament.
Oh yeah, I don't think we do.
We don't. We have a Run Disney. Oh, this is awesome because we did not get one this year. This is a Star Wars half marathon weekend sneaker ornament for a Christmas tree. And if you didn't know this, I think I may have mentioned one other time, our Christmas tree is all Disney ornaments. So this is gonna go perfect on our tree. I cannot wait. We're gonna have to do like a Christmas tree decorating video this year.
Probably.
I tried to get Talk Josh in one last year and he was like, no, I don't wanna do that. But it's gonna happen. Definitely gonna happen.
All right, this next package is from Stacy in Ohio. Sorry if you're a Buckeyes fan. It's gonna be a rough year for you. All right, Josh and Taylor, we absolutely love your vlogs. We have been to Walt Disney World a few times, but not since 2011. I feel so prepared for our November trip thanks to you. Taylor couldn't find more Target ears, so I tried my hand at DIY. Sorry they aren't perfect. Josh, it may seem like I cheaped out by buying store brand, but these are my favorite gummy bears. We will be there November 11th through the 16th with our 3 kids and my parents. Hopefully we'll run into you, Stacy, and the family from Columbus. Yeah, I bet you guys are probably Buckeye fans.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Oh! They got bent.
Oh wow, but they're still pretty cute.
Hold on. Let me straighten them up. I might have to reshape them a little bit.
They're still pretty
But
cute.
these are really cute.
Yeah, they are.
She made me Christmas ears. And you know what? It's so funny because I am like 99% sure she posted a picture of her own like this in our Facebook group.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah. I love them. It's got like little Christmas lights all around the edge. And this is like yarn of some sort. It just looks like it's tied around there. That's like awesome.
Yeah, it actually looks very like authentic.
Yeah, it does. And then this bow is super cute. I love that material. And the print is so cute.
And Stacey, look, when it comes to gummy bears, I don't discriminate. Gummy bears are gummy bears. So I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I guarantee you they will be eaten rather quickly.
I like. Thank you. Oh god. This one's heavy.
Did it say where it's from?
Not really. Oh my gosh.
From California?
He is gonna die.
Holy mother of pearl. Holy mother of pearl.
What happened?
Who on earth
What is this?
did this. That's an ice pack to like keep them from melting.
Oh my god. It's still cold. The ice pack is still cold.
This is unreal.
Oh my gosh.
We're talking 10 pounds of gummy bears right here.
That's hilarious.
It doesn't say who it's from.
No, it doesn't.
This is crazy. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh.
They're still cold though.
Yeah, they are. They didn't
So
melt.
they must not have been in the post office long. Or whatever, in the car long. Well, don't worry, Josh. You will never have to worry about being low on gummy bears ever again.
That's for sure. Thank you literally so much. This is crazy. 10 pounds of gummy bears. Booyah.
Alright, I want to open this one then, because that one was strictly for you. Even though I will definitely eat some of those gummy bears.
Alright, this is the last one.
Alright, this is from Chris and Melinda. They actually were the ones that took us to Typhoon Lagoon Moonlight Magic.
This is the gummy bears.
Oh, they are. You know, our cabinets aren't going to be full of real food. It's going to be stinking gummy bears. Josh and Taylor, we wanted to thank you for keeping the Disney magic alive through your videos. Ever since we found you on YouTube, the wait until our next trip has been easier. We need to tell you that you have one thing wrong in your Moonlight Magic at Typhoon Lagoon video. We need to thank you for letting us tag along with you. It was our first Moonlight Magic and our first time at Typhoon Lagoon, so thank you for recording, and now we will always have that video for the memories.
Oh, that's funny.
Even though I, Chris, lost our keys, it was a great evening. But you know what? You found them, so that's all that matters.
That's true.
Thank you for making us feel so welcome and not just some people who got you into the DVC event. Please accept this as a token of our appreciation. Melinda and Chris. P.S.
P.S. Josh, yes, when I got out of the water, it was cold. Well, thank you guys so much. We really did have a great time with you guys at Typhoon Lagoon. It was a blast.
Those are for me!
Oh my god!
Yes! Chocolate covered raisins!
And gummy bears.
You have us completely set for the movies! I mean, they're not melted, so it's perfect.
I don't know how else to say it, but, you know, I mean, thank you to everybody out there. Everything that we do wouldn't be possible without all of you.
No, it wouldn't.
And we just hit 19,000. We're on our way to 20,000 subs.
We're getting there.
Which is amazing. And again, it would not be possible without all of you out there.
No.
And so we want to say thank you.
This has been crazy.
For the gummy bears.
Nobody, it's crazy.
And the 10 pounds of gummy bears.
Oh, you almost hit little buddy.
And this pack of gummy bears. It really is. It's really crazy and it's very surreal. And again, we really are thankful.
Sully wants a snack too, huh? He says, give me a gummy bear.
He's not eating my gummy bears. Those are only for me.
No, he just eats crayons off the floor. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.